All right, so this is a closer look at this ladder. I've used this ladder for about a year now, and I have had zero problems with it. It's got some really nice wheels to be able to move it around, and then it extends by just using these little things here. It's a little locking mechanism that unlocks, and I just gotta separate it a little bit more. So there's the one side unlocked, and then the other side unlocks as I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. All right, so it unlocks right there. So let me throw it on a tripod and I'll show you a little bit more about it. But before we do that, we'll do a quick little close-up look on the double-sided steps, and then we'll extend it here. All right, so I have it on the tripod now, and we're gonna show the extended here. So it's already unlocked, and it locks in like a quarter way there, and then we can unlock it again, and it extends all the way. Now, from here, there's little hooks here on the sides, and I can show you those up close, but this allows you to be able to do it on the side of your house where you can climb up it and be able to check your gutters, and then you can come down and then extend it up a little bit higher. So I'll show you what those hooks look like. So these are what the hooks look like. They just pull out and on either side, and then that allows you to extend it up higher, because right now it's just on the front side of the garage here. But if we were up there and we needed to get to the point, we could, because we could extend it. And then it's got the joints on there to be able to support the weight. So I'll show you a little bit of an extension here. All right, so we're gonna extend it up here. So we'll pull the two top plugs and we'll slide it up. And then we'll lock it in just a random spot here. So now we've got even more extended. So if we come to like the middle, now it's even a little bit more extended. We have it on too much of an angle. And there you go, now you have it there. So now you have a little bit more of the extended version of it. And it's just as easy as just popping these little pins out and sliding it down to be able to lock it back in place, to be able to bring it down. Now, to close it up, you do the little hooks again there on the joints. And then it just swings all the way down, packs up nice, and then you've got it back here. And then just a quick pull out, it's got the A-frame again. So fantastic ladder. I hope seeing this little demonstration helped you make a buying decision. If it did, I hope you enjoy your new ladder.